Okay, so now I'm going to put on my shoes. Right, so this is my good leg. So I'm crouching down. In goes my foot. And look, I can tie up the shoelace. No problem. Okay, now this is my second shoe, but this is my bad leg, so I'm just going to stand and shove my foot in. Okay, so I've got to fix the tongue, and you can see I can barely reach. Now that's all well and good, my foot is in the shoe, but how do I tie up my shoelace? Look at me, I'm pulling, I can't see what I'm doing, but I'm pulling as tight as I can. Now I'm just fiddling under here, doing this all by feel, but I can see that it's not going to work. And okay, I go back into position because it hurts like hell. Okay, I got that tied, but this is not the most comfortable position, and I'm just doing a double knot now, and I got it. So there, I've got my shoes on.